Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try light olive green shirt with black pants and tan sandals. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with grey pants and black sneakers. Next you can try beach polo t-shirt with beach pants and black loafers. Next you can try purple oversized t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with peach cargo pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue shirt with green pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try olive green shirt with tan pants and olive green loafers. Next you can try black and white striped shirt with black shorts and black loafers. Next you can try black shirt with cream pants and tan loafers. Watch this video to know 35 green side outfit ideas.